I'm Katrina Cotton for InvestmentPitch Media. Thanks for joining us today. Q Battery Metals, a mineral exploration company focused on exploration and development of battery, base, and precious metals, has provided an update on planned explorations on its Abitibi Region gold projects. Q Metals owns several projects in southwest Quebec with strong indications for gold, including the McKenzie East and Golden Valley properties, along with other projects. The McKenzie East property, located 30 kilometers north of Val-d'Or, abuts the east side of Monarch Mining's McKenzie Break property. In February 2021, Monarch released a gold resource estimate with open pit resources of 1.4 million tons at 1.8 grams per ton indicated and 2.24 million tons at 1.44 grams per ton inferred, along with underground resources of 400,000 tons at 5.03 grams per ton indicated and 1.1 million tons at 4.21 grams per ton inferred, for a total of 397,000 ounces of gold. Readers are cautioned that resource estimates on Monarch's McKenzie Break property do not imply that similar resources or mineralization exist on Q Metals' McKenzie East property. Q Metals previously completed a ground-induced polarization electrical survey, a MMI soil sampling survey, a drone-supported airborne magnetic survey, and diamond drilling on the McKenzie East property. The company plans to continue expanding from the positive results obtained from previous exploration. The company has a permitted drilling program to continue to test and expand upon results obtained from the Phase 1 drilling in 2021 that included 1.185 grams per ton gold over 1 meter from hole MKE 2101, as well as intercepts of greater than 0.5 grams per ton gold from holes MKE 2103, 06, and 08. Hole MKE 21-3 showed the most promise, where geologic observations indicated a section of core that contained a visible gold grain of approximately 1 millimeter by 2 millimeters in size, as well as veining, alterations, and associated sulfide minerals over a wide interval. Q Metals plans to expand exploration into the southern claim block to test for gold, silver, quartz veins, similar to those exposed within adjoining claims at the Maruska showing, where in 2023 Q Metals obtained a rock sample that returned 3.41 grams per ton gold and 2.58 grams per ton silver. The company is very interested in this documented gold showing due to its location very near to the south block of the company's McKenzie East claims. A follow-up Phase 2 exploration program is currently being planned and scheduled for spring 2024. In 2019, the company completed a drilling program at its Golden Valley property, located 65 kilometers north of Lassar and 26 kilometers south of the Casa Berardi mine. It is hosted within rocks of the Abitibi Greenstone Belt, with the Laberge Deformation Zone passing through the property. The program comprised 1,458 meters over 11 holes, spread over an approximate 4-kilometer strike length with favorable geology. Drilling was designed to verify and expand upon historic gold-bearing intercepts and to test geological and geophysical targets interpreted from existing data. The best gold results were obtained from hole GV003 that returned 0.335 grams per ton gold over 2 meters, and hole GV001 that returned 0.155 grams per ton gold over 2 meters. The follow-up Phase 2 exploration work program is scheduled for spring 2024. Q Metals will also continue exploration on the Lacorne South lithium and VMS project, with induced polarization surveying planned for winter 2024. The Lacorne South and McKenzie East projects, area within 5 kilometers of each other, both easily accessed by Highway 397, 25 kilometers north of Val-d'Or, Quebec. 93 rock samples were obtained by Q Battery Metals from the Lacorne South claims in 2021. A series of channel samples returned elevated copper of 921 and 959 parts per million, with the highest gold values including 0.035 grams per ton, 0.019 grams per ton, and 0.015 grams per ton from samples that were highly mineralized with pyrite. Samples with elevated copper and/or gold were noted in some cases to contain elevated silver to 0.65 parts per million and zinc to 1,135 parts per million. The exploration team intends to explore for VMS with potential gold association, as well as continue exploration for lithium on the Lacorne South. The shares are trading at 1.5 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website, qmetalscorp.com, or contact Richard Penn, CEO, at 778-384-8923. I'm Katrina Cotton for Investment Pitch Media.